There you go, guys, and here we have our transmitter box here. It will do you a full range of camera formats, which is handy, and it will go to our receiver box that can take like 4 cameras. So for example, you could run actually 4 of these going to the camera of your choosing, just like a 4-pin plug to the camera, and have them all going in. It would be an expensive way to do it, but let's say you can't run like cables, could be on a digger or like a big piece of actual machinery, it is handy. So this here needs to actually mount somewhere. Obviously the water are resistant, like proof, so it can be mounted outside, all good. 2 things here. You need a 12 to 24 watt power source. That's gonna go on this plug here. That will then plug into there and power this up. Obviously red and black, fairly straightforward. Obviously you only want it powered when the vehicle or the thing is on. Otherwise it'll be powered the whole time and drawing power. Small rubber ducky antenna, which screws onto here. That gives you your, obviously, a range. And this 4-pin aviation plug will plug into a camera of your choosing. That's a fairly standard plug. For example, a dual camera like this would have that plug on it. That would just plug into there, like so. Obviously, if it was a dual camera, you'd need 2 of these. But that is how it works. And the handy sort of scenarios here could be like, you could put this on the hitch of your Caravan and take your existing camera and send it to a wireless screen or our wireless receiver. Don't have to run cables through your car. The other handy way could be you could just turn any sort of camera into like a wireless camera and then send that transient signal to where you need to send it to. So great little product, and sort of handy in kits and to build things up as like a wireless system. And we can always help you out there if you need a bit of advice.